In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Brother DCP-350 series or 350C series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser. In the Google search, you want to search for Brother DCP-350C support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a Brother support page. It says Brother DCP-350C support. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath the driver section, select the Online Solution Center, and then select Windows, Mac, or Linux. We're going to select an older version of Windows here just so we get the full installer, because if you select some of the newer versions of Windows, it's just going to say built-in driver. So we're going to select Windows Vista 64-bit, and then OK, and then select the full driver and software package. And then going down, agree to license terms and download that file. Give it a moment to download onto our system. And then we're going to go ahead and keep the file, and we're going to keep, and we're going to run it. And then select yes. Selecting your preferences based on wired or wireless connection, that sort of thing. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.